Hey, everybody. Welcome to my Patreon page. I'm Jason Seiler. And for those of you who don't know who I am, let me introduce myself. I am an illustrator. I am known mostly for my covers for Time Magazine, my work for Rolling Stone, The New Yorker, New York Times, Mad Magazine. You may have also seen my work on album covers such as Sturgill Simpson or Sun Little, book covers, movie posters. I've also done some character design for Tim Burton's Alice in Wonderland, which was a lot of fun to do. But basically, that's what I do. I'm an illustrator, sometimes character designer. I've been asked to start a Patreon page by a lot of people for many years, and it's been taking me a little bit to figure out what I wanted to do, what I wanted to offer, how I want to split my time. And so I decided to finally do it. And so here it is. I basically decided to keep it as simple as possible. And I'm only offering two different tiers. The first one is called Let's Hang Out Together. And it's basically just hanging out with me while I draw and paint. And I'll talk and paint and that sort of a thing. And basically just do whatever I want to do. And it's $5 a month. Sometimes I might be drawing something for an editorial piece for a magazine or book or something like that, behind the scenes of an advertisement job or whatever it is, whatever I'm allowed to share at the time. Other times I'll be just drawing whatever I feel like drawing and painting. But the cool thing is I'll be offering 1 hour a week, at least 1 hour. Sometimes it can be a little bit longer. So for $5 a month, you will be getting one video a week, as well as a downloadable digital file of my work. So basically you'll be getting one video weekly that's at least an hour or more of me drawing and painting, as well as a downloadable digital file of the work, and my undying gratitude. The next one is Face the Truth podcast. So I also, besides everything else I'm doing, I host a weekly podcast called Face the Truth. I've been doing it for a few years now. And basically every single week I talk with artists from all over the world, whether it's painters, sculptors, musicians, actors, comedians. I've had some pretty amazing guests on the podcast. Guests like Kevin Nealon, Bobby Chu, Steve Byrne, Drew Struzan, Aaliyah Chapin, Patrick Carney of the Black Keys, Brad Garrett, Jessica Curson, Hollis Dunlap, Scott Burdick, Molly Crabapple, C.F. Payne, Nathan Fox, Mitch Griffiths, Irish Compiet, Gregory Manchess, Travis Louie, Anita Kuntz, Anthony Kosar, and many, many more. So what I want to offer with this tier is for $10 a month, you get everything from the first tier, plus you get one bonus episode of my podcast. So the podcast will still be available for free on YouTube and iTunes, but there will be a bonus episode every month that only you get to see, and it won't be released anywhere else. So I really appreciate your support, and I look forward to drawing and painting and hearing from you. I will be welcoming questions from fans as well and answering questions while I draw and paint. But yeah, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. This is going to help me be able to give myself a little extra cushion to be able to do the work that I want to do. I love doing my editorial and illustration work, but it would be nice to give myself a little bit of free time to be able to draw and paint what I want to paint. So that's one of the goals. Also, got to pay the mortgage. You know what I'm saying? I got little babies to feed. I got a dog to feed. You know, there's a lot of stuff, man. Anyways, I really do appreciate the support. Thank you so much. I love you all, and we'll see each other soon.